Let's look at Sprint 11. Sprint 11 takes the workforce development skill related to an occupation and contextualizes that workforce development skill in the real world. Sprint 11 activities vary. Sometimes they may read an article, they may play a game, they may watch a video, but the core and center of this sprint is that they're taking a workforce development skill that relates to that occupation, and it's contextualizing that occupation so they can make connections between real-world work experiences and real-world workforce development topics and knowledge. In this particular example, this is from Lesson 8, the students discuss the real world, and in this particular activity what they do is they are exploring dress code and how a cosmetologist makes those decisions about what's appropriate to wear to their occupation or to their job. Again, this activity is different in different lessons depending on what the career is and what the workforce development skill is. Just to give you a quick preview of this particular activity, just to give you an example, the students are given some context about cosmetology and professional appearance, and then they form groups, they choose a salon, they read an article about how to dress for cosmetology, they use some learning to learn skills related to reading that article, they take a questionnaire to predict the dress code for their salon based on what they read about that salon. Then they participate in a discussion about the decisions that they made, and then they examine the different types of dress attire that they are presented with, and then they match those different types of dress attire to those different salons and have a bigger conversation about discrimination policies related to work and dress and policies that regulate appearance and dress in a workforce. So this is a pretty rich activity depending on the depth that you want to go into related to the workforce development skills.